from the start. Let's not start slow today, eh? Let's not start slow. We press him from the start. Start fast. Like first ball, if you get the ball, guys, forward. I want us to go forward. I put a big rhythm from the start then. Go on.
Hey, lots of energy, back each other up. We don't want to concede. Main goal today, we batter them. Absolutely batter them. Send out a statement to the league that we're not just going to piss around playing these other games. We're going to batter teams. We want to be the team that everyone fears fucking playing every single week. Okay? Go out, protect each other, look after each other. Let's go and score some fucking goals.
Let's go, boys. Come on, eh? Come on, eh? Come on, come on. Let's go.
Blue Greens on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Blue Greens!
Catch out today, hey, come on. You got him, man. Come on, the boys, come on.
Number 19, Alex Ruiz.
Right, there you go, Bob. Hey, obviously, they're a little bit back here, but like, they're going to be a lot more competitive, a bit more confident to actually win a game. It doesn't matter, we're still better. We're the best team in this league, let's go through.
100%.
Every single game we prove it. Move the ball.
Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Get used to win every game, get used to win every game.
Move on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Come on.
Confident if things, still we can't get a goal, don't get frustrated with each other. Be positive towards each other. Keep going. I can guarantee you, we keep doing those things, the subs are going to come in, they're going to change the game as well, we're going to score the goals. Be confident, yeah? Confident and positive. Can we be confident? Can we be positive? Yes or no? Yeah. All right, sweet.
scoring for the Blue Jays in stoppage time, number 2, Teddy Miranda.
Give me a private lesson confidence.
All right, 100%. Yeah.
Now he says you have to be a team leader. Can I get a picture of myself? Here, can I get one also?
Oh! Dale! Vamos!
Doesn't need that.
He said thank you.
Yeah, of course. Right here. Hey, good to see you.
Well, it was a tough game. We faced a really good team. I think we did a really good job. We were looking for the goal for the whole game. At the end, we scored, and it was an amazing feeling. I'm so grateful for these people. I'm so grateful for this club, for the opportunity to play here. It's really happy. It's an amazing club. We think that we have to keep improving, keep working. We're gonna face better teams, and we have to be ready. I just want to say thank you for all the people that came tonight, and also to my family that was watching the game. Thank you again, guys.
Yeah, really proud of the efforts today, tonight, and all these weeks, right? These guys have been working extremely hard. We've been growing a lot individually, but as a team as well. I think today was a really good test. Went through adversity, right? Not scoring the penalty, and today it felt like it was one of those games that the ball wasn't going to go in. The guys stayed positive. The subs changed the game, changed the tempo of the game. We kept pushing. We had the opportunity, and then Teddy Miranda, what a moment for him. Moment that he's never going to forget, and very happy for him, very happy for the team. Yeah, really happy with the group that we have. Lots of growth ahead, but I think experiences like these will help us tremendously as we look to grow, look to get better. This is a great group. I'm really happy with them. Another clean sheet, right? Adding up to the clean sheet in the end, last match against Minneapolis City. So we keep adding. Tomorrow we train again, and we keep growing. Very happy again. Really proud of them, and yeah, we keep going, boys. Let's go. Hey, boys, was that the prettiest performance I've ever seen in my life?
Absolutely not.
No, but we'll take the win. We're real. Give us a few things, and again, if we didn't win tonight, I swear, my message was going to be the same. Okay, it was going to be the same. Whenever things don't go well for us, we need to stay a bit more calm and remember what we practice, our principles. Especially with the ball. Without the ball, Steph didn't make a save. Right? Defensively, we were brilliant again. Back-to-back clean sheets, and you need to give yourselves credit for that. With the ball, I believe we're going to play a lot of teams like that this season, guys. Teams that sit, teams that only want to play long. And then if we can't crack them, we're going to get frustrated and we forget what we worked on during the season. Not every day you're going to have a heroic moment. Okay, so I think we need to be a bit more conscious of that. Whenever things are not well, still having our attacking shape, doing the things that we train. We can't just go, do whatever we want. I'm not saying we did that, but let's just have that about us. Okay? With that said, we have a lot of work to do, but this group right here showed already that we've got fucking heart, that we don't give up, that we go into the end. Alright? We did that. First game, coming back. Second game, we came back. Dagger in the end to tie it, but that's okay. We stood together. Last game, clean sheet. Today, can't even. We went into the end, guys. To the end, positive. Not pretty, not the best, but we got the result. So I'm Proud of you for that. Give yourselves a hand. Tomorrow 7:30 p.m. All right, look behind you guys. Just do a recovery. Everyone else gets a really good session in. Saturday we go again and we keep going, guys. 6 points in the back and we keep going. Who do you guys think we should do today? Who do you guys think? That's it, then.